What is going on, guys? We have my buddy's Mach 1 here. This is actually Hector's car. We did a lot of mods to his 2020 GT500, and one of the first mods we did to his GT500 was a Borla Atak Catback, and now we have his Mach 1 here. This car is pretty cool. I think I'll end up making some cool review video on it, but today we're gonna get some stock sound clips. If you notice, the exhaust is very similar to the 2020 GT500. So we're going to be installing this Borla Atak Catback on this. We'll get some sound clips of before and after and see what it sounds like. I don't know actually what the underneath of this car looks like. I don't know if it has an X-pipe or if it has the big suitcase resonator. I have no idea. So we're going to go ahead and get it up in the air and get this installed. But first, let's get some sound clips of it. The weather is pretty poor today, so it might start raining. So I don't know if we'll get any driving sound clips, but yeah, let's go see what this thing sounds like. So the Mach 1 has a few different sound modes. So I'll just have you roll through the different modes. So there's quiet, normal, sport, and track. You can rev it a little bit in each mode, but there's no point in revving it a lot in every other mode other than track, because once it gets over a certain vacuum, it opens the valves anyways. So rev it a little bit in quiet mode. I'll go back there and then go to the next mode. So this is quiet mode. Very quiet. Normal mode. Sport. And track. You can rev it pretty loud. Yeah, we'll see what Borla sounds like. Let's get it up in the air and get the catback ripped off of it. All right, gotta rip the exhaust off. I think we'll start with taking the back tray off. You guys ready? Exhaust time. Got plenty of people here.
Come on, strong boys.
Okay, one hold muffler here. One hold muffler here. This part comes out. Things you gotta do to replace muffler bearings, man. Should be opened up. So.
There you go.
Spring outside. Yeah. For sale. There you go. Alright, So now we swap the actuators onto the new ones, then put it back on. Okie dokie. I think we can hang the mufflers. And then pipes and the mid pipe. And we'll be good to get started. So the tiny pipes. This car needs headers ASAP. Hector, need headers.
Oh, raining.
It is raining.
Ain't that bad.
I think we heard some gators earlier in the woods. 5,000 likes on this video, and Andrew's gonna go wrestle one of the gators in his pond.
Sure.
Ringing. So my ears are ringing.
I can't hear you.
What's hearing? Never heard of it.
Ah, that's what I was looking for. So much easier when you have a light.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, Jimmy, good going. This is why no one likes you, Jimmy.
At least your windshield's getting clean from all the oil on it.
I don't think that. I don't think. I think.
What? Say a sentence.
I think water versus oil. Oil always wins.
That. Some big old shit.
Alright, what are the taters, yep. Yep. Tips look really good. Put it in quiet. All right, they're working. Definitely a lot louder and quiet though. Yeah. It does sound better. It does sound better and louder. All right, and track. Wow, sounds good. I like it. Hell yeah, brother. All right, she's all wrapped up as expected. Rain, but let me know if you want to see a full review video on the Mach 1. I actually have not even driven one yet. I think this is the first one I've really seen in person, the first one I've worked on, but Very nice car, cool color. Interior is pretty cool. Got that orange stripe, manual, of course. Fully loaded. Looks awesome.